everyone. As you see, I'm taking the old wig and just revamping it with some color. And I'm using the Pure Whites 30 volume with bleach. And this wig is about 3 months old. I just wanted to do something to make it a little different. So this is virgin hair and it can be bleached. And I'm just gonna take 2 scoops of the bleach, well, about 2.5, and then just pour. I just pretty much poured what was left of the volume that I had, but I think it was about a fourth of the 30 volume that I'm using. And I'm just gonna pour that into the bleach. People usually use a half and half ratio, but I just want to make it speed up the process. And I don't want to have to put it on exactly in the spot that I want it. I just want to dip it in so it'll move fast. So this is why I'm doing it like this. So also it'll saturate it a little more versus if I do half and half, I have to use more bleach. I don't want to use that much bleach. I just want to use more developer so it'll soak it up quick. Now I'm showing you how to do this yourself, but if you want to just order a wig from me that's already bleached and the same curl, you can just order it on my website, and the link is under the description of where you can purchase it. So you're looking for a more watery consistency instead of more of a cake consistency. And once you have it all mixed, you're just gonna dump it in there and just put it. I'm just painting where I want it to go. If I wanted the whole thing colored, I would just dip the whole thing. I would put a lot more bleach and color in here, and I would have just dipped all of it in there. But since I just want to do the ends, I just pretty much want to paint it, make sure all the ends are painted, and kind of stripe through the rest of the hair so it will look more natural coming up the hair. So you just want to keep painting it on to make sure it's all saturated, and that way it's no black spots left over. And I'm just going to squeeze the rest of it to make sure that I didn't miss any spots, and that way it's all brown. Once you get this painted on like you want it, you're just gonna let it sit on for 20 more minutes, or 20 minutes total, and then come back, and this is what it's supposed to look like. The bleach always makes it look a little lighter than what it is, so once you rinse it off, it's gonna be a little darker. So here's the color it turned out. More of a brownish red. So I like this color. I'm just gonna leave it this color. If you want another color on it, you can put a brown on it. You can put red on top of it. It doesn't have to stay this color, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I need to pull the curls out a little more to make it a little fuller. But as you can see up close, how nice the color and the curls look. So I'll put a link in the description also of the other video that I have of me doing this wig while it was black. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.